Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 12 Lite to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. Open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you wish to and close it by choosing OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and Receive over here on an Android. Now finally you can tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I'll go into Photos category, select only one, click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on one of those options, choose Close this window, and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also input this key over here and tap on the Receive button in order to connect. As you can see now, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!